As an essential industry and one of the few retail sectors that kept our doors open for the entirety of the crisis, food retailers made significant investments in employee and customer safety. In the first 12 months of the pandemic alone, food retailers invested $24 billion in pandemic-related expenses like personal protective equipment, cleaning and sanitizing supplies, and labor, signage, plexiglass and increased pay, incentives, and enhanced benefits for frontline workers.
One of the first steps the federal government had to take during the height of the pandemic was to designate the food industry as critical infrastructure. We then had daily calls with FEMA and CISA to keep up with the updates and all of the challenges. What we saw was a true need for extraordinary measures from the government to help secure things like personal protective equipment and the new funds on SNAP and pandemic EBT to really keep families fed during this crisis.
I can't say enough how important the partnership between the food retail sector and government made a difference in meeting the needs of those in society who are more vulnerable and need a little extra help. I'm talking here about the expansion of the SNAP program, expansion of some of the WIC benefits that were available for mothers and their children. And this became so important not only for them, but also for other children who weren't in school and were actually having to learn from home, and others that are vulnerable in society, like seniors and those who are in lower income families. These benefits and the increase that was achieved by the government in partnership with food retailers were tremendously important in helping us all get through the pandemic.
Going into the pandemic, there were only 5 states that offered a SNAP online program. But now we have 46 states, plus the District of Columbia, where customers can order their groceries online and have them delivered.
The public and private sectors working together have been critical to the response. The federal government charitable food system, nonprofit organizations, and food industry all took actions that remain crucial to addressing food and nutrition security.